Hello my fellow gamers, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix voice chat not working in Rainbow Six Siege. So if you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So to be able to actually fix it, it is quite easy. We're going to firstly click on search right here, as you can see, then search for sound settings. So click on sound settings right here, and then it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. So on this page where it says input, make sure that you select the correct microphone that you actually have connected to your computer. So before I actually didn't have anything in here, so I was actually I had to like make sure that my microphone actually worked, and now it does work. And you can also test your microphone in here and see if it actually works for you. So the second step is going to be for us to go into Steam. So go into Steam, and then you should now be taken here. So now on Steam, you're just going to click on the logo right here, as you can see. So click on the Steam logo, then click on settings, and then you're going to click on, let's see where it is, voice here. So click on voice, and where it says voice input device, make sure that you select the correct microphone right here. You can even click on start microphone test right here. So if that still is not working, you need to go into the Rainbow Six Siege game itself, and you need to make sure that on the settings there in the sound that you have the correct microphone set in there as well, just so you know. But basically this is exactly how to fix it.